Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Claudette. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel, guys, and don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And in today's video, guys, we'll be going together to see what's updated in the house. So if that interests you, keep on watching. So guys, let's go see together what's new in the project. Guys, I have to lock the door. So okay guys, as I came in, I saw that they're doing final touch-up of the painting because the door, they didn't finish the door, so they're doing that. And then guys, this light is in, but still they didn't power up yet, guys. So that is in, and then they put in the switch. And guys, the blinds are in. The blinds are in. So that's the blinds. And I'll show you our next one down here. OMG, I am loving this blind because guys, there's no power yet. I don't know. Oh my gosh, guys, the thermostat is in. So there is heat in the house. So the thermostat, guys, this is the blinds. Oh my gosh, the blinds are in. See guys, the blinds are in. Loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. So all the pot lights are in. And then guys, down here I have two curtain right here. Yeah, so guys, that's that. Yeah, the blinds are in. Yeah guys, so, and then they're patching out. They're patching out. Guys, I have something to show you, but I'm gonna save that for last. Oh, this light's supposed to go here. Have not been up as yet. So let's go and see what up. I think that's it on the ground, just the ground floor. Because yeah guys, I think that's it. Yeah. Because the light was supposed to go in here. There's no light, but the blinds are in everywhere. The blinds are in. Yeah guys, so yeah. The light, this is the light. This is the light for right here, guys. That I haven't put up yet. So this is the light for this right here. So they haven't put up that yet. Yeah guys, so that is the latest. So I guess that's it. Well, the blinds are in. The blinds. Basically, that's what new on this floor, just the blinds. Just the blinds, guys. So, guys, yep, just the blinds. They're in. The light haven't gone up in that yet, so. And then the shelves, there we put up the shelf in the master closet. And so I guess the shelf must have been up in, oh, the shelf in this as well. Yeah, guys, but then this, guys, is the light for the master bedroom. This, guys, you already saw before. This you saw before. I wanted to put this in on the ground floor, guys, but because of the door, the entrance door, it's not flushed, and I am afraid it's gonna be too long for the it's gonna be too long. So when the door open, so this sorry. So this have to be for the thing, for the bedroom. So the 2 windows, guys. And guys, remember right here, we needed the baseboard for right here. So that is done. So now they're gonna touch up. They're gonna touch up right here. And guys, this is the chandelier for right there. I told you before. So this is gonna paint. So right there. Yeah, guys. So guys, look at this. Guys, you must know this because I featured this on my channel before. I am just loving this. Loving this, guys. I am loving this. Loving it. OMG. Guys, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. Loving this. So guys, this is the island. This is over the island. So this is what it looks like, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, this is the end of the video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend about my channel, guys, and don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, I catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.